Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilya Bella here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called ZigZag conversion. The string is written in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows, like this. You may want to display this pattern in the fixed font for better legibility and then read line by line. Write the code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. As you can see, there is an example here. What we're gonna do, right? We just need to take this string, like this representation of this string, and we need to turn into this one. So like here, 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 and here. Let's start. I'll show you. To do that, we can use map. Map, we say integer string builder map equals to new hash map integer and string builder, and we need to set up a new variable position to 0. Then we create boolean direction. We set up to true, and we are looping through this string, character C and S dot to char array. We check if direction, no, if position equals to the number of rows, we need to set up direction to false, and if position equals to 1, we set up direction to true. I'm gonna explain it to you and why. When direction equals like set up to true, we are moving downwards. Otherwise, when it's set up to false, we are moving upwards. Yeah, and every time we whether increment this position or just like increment or decrement. And here, if direction is true, that means that we are moving downwards and we need to increment the position by 1. Otherwise, we decrement it because we are moving upwards. And at each iteration, we check if this map doesn't contain the key, contains key at the current position. So position, that means that we gotta create, we gotta put the position and the current character into this map. So we say like map dot put position, and we create, before we need to create, of course, string builder, and say map dot get the element at the current position dot append string builder append and append c this character. If it's already into this map, we just append the next the current character, and that's it. Finally, you create string builder result, new string builder, and you are looping through these keys. You say for int I map dot key set, and what you're gonna do is that you're gonna say result dot append and map dot get I, and you just return, finally you return result dot to string. Yeah, so you create map, you set up the position to 0, you set up direction to true, then you're looping through this string. You check if the current position equals to the number of rows, you set up to false. If the position equals to 1, you set up to true direction, then you increment if it's true, otherwise you decrement. You check if the key there is into this map, you just create if there is an element, you just append the new character. Otherwise, before you need to create a new string builder and put the current position and just append the character. Finally, you just get the result. So first you get something like pin, then this one, and this one, and at the right of the bat, you when position equals to 0, you say you put the element at position 1 and P, then at position 2, key 2, the element A, key 3, the element Y, key 4, the element P, and then you decrement that, because the position equals to the number of rows, and again you put at position of 3 A, and and so on, so forth. Well, let's run this code. We will see. Run this code. There we go. Submit. It's gonna work. Yeah, success. Good. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it. See you next time.